Hey everyone, this is Matt. I'm a ukulele teacher and a music artist from the YouTube channel You Can Uke. And today I want to present to you my signature ukulele. It's called a TUC UCU from my friends at Flight Music. Let's check it out together. Now, if you order one of my ukuleles, it's going to come with this gig bag made out of jean material. It includes a strap so you can sling it over your shoulder and take it with you everywhere. And it has a zipper so you can easily access the ukulele. Alright, let's open this thing up. Alright, there you have it. That's the TUC UCU. Let's take a little bit more of a deeper dive of this ukulele. So one of the cool features about this ukulele is actually designed, and it even has a cool story behind it. Earlier in 2020, I held a contest where my subscribers and followers would submit to me designs that they thought could go on the face of this signature ukulele. And there was a person in the Philippines that came up with this cacti and mountain design. It really struck a personal chord with me because I grew up in Arizona, where again there's a lot of cacti and mountains and desert. That's kind of the landscape of the place where I grew up. And so I knew right away that that was going to be designed for this ukulele. And it really has amazing vibrant colors that are added to this piece. It's got a lot of red, green, you got blue and white right here on the soundboard and the headstock. And so even if you're not playing it, it makes for a great decor piece. The soundboard and the headstock are also made out of laminate linden wood, so it's going to allow for the tone to be bright and resonant. The TUC UCU is Flight's first ever concert-sized travel ukulele. And so if you're looking for an option where it has more frets, if you have bigger fingers or you're looking for a deeper sound, you're going to find it in this ukulele right here. Also, it's called a travel uke because of how sturdy the material is. If you go anywhere or you bump it, it's not going to break it, it's not going to dent it. It's made out of this ABS plastic. Yeah, this thing isn't going to break. It's got an arched ABS plastic back. It's got ABS plastic on the sides. It's got it on the nut and on the saddle and on the fretboard. So overall, it makes for a durable piece, and it's not going to warp even in different weather conditions. Like I said before, this is a concert-sized ukulele, and so there's a lot of frets. There's about 17 total, and it's also got front position markers on the 5th, 7th, 10th, and 12th frets. So another cool feature about this ukulele is that it includes a strap button. So if you're looking to play the ukulele while standing up, or you just want to put on a strap and sit and keep it secured right next to you, you can do that with this strap button. It also includes a slotted bridge system, which makes it very easy to change out those old nylon strings. So all you gotta do is take out the old one, put a new one in, put a little knot at the end of the string, and then it's gonna be secured right here at the slot, and then you just string it right up to the open geared tuner. It also includes Aquila Super Nylgut strings, and it has a 0 fret right here at the edge of the fretboard. And there you have it. That's the TUC UCU, my signature ukulele model from Flight Music. I hope you consider adding this to your collection, and I hope that it benefits you on your ukulele journey. Overall, this ukulele proves to be a very valuable piece to your collection, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician. It's durable, it plays great, it sounds great, and it's affordable. It costs $74.99 US, and you can find it in Music Room, Amazon, or click the link in my description box below to access this ukulele. If you found this review helpful or enjoyable, then don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a lesson, and consider following me and Flight Ukulele on Instagram so you can stay up to date on any news about this ukulele and more. Hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.